Hey there, camera enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tutorials in a fun and straightforward way. Today, we're tackling something that's fundamental for any Canon camera owner: how to switch it on. Whether you're unboxing your brand new Canon EOS R series or dusting off an older model, this 2025 guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your camera is ready to power up. Start by checking the battery. Grab your Canon battery and ensure it's fully charged. If it's not, pop it into the charger for a bit. Nothing's worse than a dead camera when you're eager to shoot. Once that's sorted, locate the power button. On most Canon cameras, like the popular EOS or PowerShot lines, you'll find it on the top panel, often marked with a simple on-off symbol or the word power. It's usually a small button or switch, so take a second to familiarize yourself. Now, for the main step, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a soft beep or see the lens extend if it's a DSLR model. Keep an eye on the LCD screen. It should light up, displaying the Canon logo or your home screen. If nothing happens, double-check that the battery is properly inserted and the camera isn't in a locked mode. Pro tip: some advanced models, like the Canon R5 or R6, might have a customizable power button, so glance at your user manual if you're unsure. Once it's on, you're good to go. Take a moment to adjust any settings if needed, like switching to auto mode for beginners. Remember, turning on your camera is just the start of your photography journey, so experiment and have fun capturing those epic shots. Thanks for watching. If this quick tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video on basic camera settings. See you soon.